Got to take a trip up into snow country. Gonna go up I-80. Got heavy snow on top of Donner's Pass, so it's gonna be pretty much sacked till about 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to time it. Well, I'm gonna sit in Applegate, and then I'm gonna hit the mountain. Try to hit the mountain right when the snow stops. Because right now there's a thunderstorm that just moved over the area right now and is headed for the mountains right now. So what I'm gonna do is wait for that thunderstorm to pass over the mountain, which is the top of Donner Pass. And if anybody familiar with I-80, Donner Pass is right in the Truckee area. So the way we judge when the snow is gonna start or stop, we look at the weather forecast for Truckee. And Truckee is really the really critical point of going across Donner Pass. If Truckee's clear, then the whole road, it'll be clear. The whole I-80 will be clear. And that'll get me into, I gotta go to Fernley, Nevada. And Fernley is about 40 miles east of Reno. You wanna keep your eye on the weather forecast for Reno and Truckee. And if those two are clear, then you got a clear shot in, going even further east. I'm gonna get ready right now, and we're gonna hit it, man. Get the truck ready. Here's a truck right here. Yeah, that's my truck right there, man. Big flatbed, I'm empty. Got to go across the ice and the snow, completely empty. So, yeah, we're gonna attack this mountain, man, and we're gonna get it done today. Okay, guys, got the truck all set up now. And I'm just waiting for, waiting for the temperature to rise up on the hill. Right now, last I checked, it was like 17 degrees up in Donner and Truckee area. Still at the yard, posted up. Got the truck prepared, got everything set up. Getting the truck warmed up a little bit. Been running it for like about 10 minutes now. Running for another 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take off and then post up at the bottom of the hill, and that kind of ensures that if anything was to go wrong and I had to turn around, all I have to do is just cross the freeway and head back west on 80, and then go back into town and go back home. But if anything breaks up there, then I'll just go ahead and just go on over the hill. I know I got a chain up, so got myself a good pair of gloves, man. These are rubber on the outside, and they're insulation on the inside, so I got those ready. Plus I got foul weather gear, and I got under clothes. So, and plus I got rubber boots with lining on the inside. It gets pretty cold up there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take off in a minute. And like I said, we're gonna head up the freeway, get to the bottom of the mountain, and then just post up over there. All right, guys.
Yeah.
made it up to Applegate finally, and it's a real big backup up here. Checking for change, so had to jump off here and talk with Caltrans for a moment and just kind of figure out where we got to chain up. I don't know if we're probably gonna have to chain up in Colfax. Colfax is about 20 or 25 miles away. From there, it's probably going to be solid whiteout conditions. Got two of my other buddies up front. Going to check. They're both going to check it out. And in case I got a chain, I got 2 extra set of hands to help out. Hopefully, we don't have to chain till the very end, or at best, probably chain at the summit of the mountain, which is about 7,200 feet. I've been hearing about snow levels all the way down to, I think, roughly 2,500 to 3,000 feet. Yeah, guys, you know, they had their storm on the East Coast. Now we got our storm on the West Coast. So, yeah, I thought we were going to be spared all that misery and dreary and cold weather. But, yeah, we're catching it out here real bad. I mean, right now we're down to what? Yeah, we're down up here. We're down to 36 degrees right now. So, yeah, it's only going to get colder as we inch our way up the mountain. So, yeah, guys, yeah, stay tuned, man. I'm going to figure out if I got a chain or not. God, I hate chaining, man. It's just so miserable. It's cold, and you always got to watch out for the other drivers because, you know, you can end up getting yourself hit or smashed or whatever, man. But yeah, I hate being outside the truck in the snow, but you know, that's part of living up in the northern central West Coast, you know, by the mountain ranges, you know, Siskiyous, the Rockies, all that good stuff, man. You got to be ready to chain and deal with some seriously cold weather and some wind too.
I don't wanna know if you're better off without me. I don't wanna know if you're better off. I'll be there for you. I'm never gonna give you up. I'll be there for you. I'm never gonna give you up.
Man, just got finished chaining up. A little snow up here. Man. Yeah, just got done chaining up, man. Big ordeal. Now we're gonna take off, head on up over the mountain, and try to get to Fernley at least by 5 o'clock. Got a little bit of traffic in town, but we should make it. Snow flurry starting up, but cloud cover is still in effect. And so that'll kind of keep back some of the freezing weather, freezing up the roads and all. Okay, guys, I'll see you when we get to Reno or Fern.
I'm not
to Fernley, Nevada. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's a pretty bad conditions up on top of Donner. You know, it had about it had 8 inches yesterday, and I think 8 to 9 inches today. So we got total 18 inches, and man, I want to say big ups to Caltrans, man. They cut, you know, they cut through it and threw the dirt down, or the sand. They use sand on the West Coast. They sanded the roads, kept them nice and clean, and you know, it helped us get through there, man, without any mishaps. I mean, they did it so well, man, the whole way over the mountain. It got down about 21 degrees, but I mean, all you saw was spray, you know, water spray. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know when the weather conditions, you know, when the temperature starts to drop, the telltale sign that you're about to get into a bad situation is when you stop seeing mist on the ground. You see nothing but a sheen of ice. So they went overboard, you know, with the graders and the sand trucks. They kept sand out on the road. They kept traffic controls. You know, they kept everything flowing real nice, man. And you know, also I had my 2 buddies with me. You know, we ran over the hill together. They were loaded. I was empty, so I stayed behind them and kind of went at their pace because, you know, if you guys don't know about Donner, you know, it's some really big pools there, and we slowed down a lot, or they slowed down a lot. I could have blasted over here with 70, but you know, why would I want to do that? You know, winter conditions. I'm gonna get up in the morning, knock it out, and then from there, you know, I'm just gonna head on up to Washougal, man. All right, guys. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.